Intel, via its internal documentation that is, routinely, the source of new information on unreleased products, has revealed their next low-power architecture. Codenamed Tremont, the new architecture is expected to be developed on the company's 10nm process, not unlike Ice Lake, and bring some performance improvements to the company's options for the embedded market. Tremont will thus replace Intel's Goldmont Plus, which is still being manufactured on the company's 14nm process. It hasn't been side-graded to the company's 14nm and/or plus processes, due to these being less suited for denser chip designs. The new architecture will likely receive some specific performance improvements that mirror some of Intel's core architecture's improvements, alongside support for new instruction sets, CLWB, GFNI, SSE-based, ENCLV. Split lock detection instruction set extensions are all extensions that will also be introduced in the company's Ice Lake cores, which increases the likelihood of the same process. Other functions introduced specifically for Tremont include CLDEMOTE, direct store, and user wait instructions.